Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In our class today, our topic is drawing. In our class today, our topic is drawing. Drawing can be big picture or small one. Sometimes it is medium pictures. Drawing can be big picture or small one. Sometimes it is medium pictures. Drawing materials. The materials needed for drawing are pencil, ink, eraser, ruler, crayon, paper, chalk, marker, pen, and charcoal. The materials needed for drawing are pencil, ink, eraser, ruler, crayon, paper, chalk, marker, pen, and charcoal. So children, what have you learned today? We've learned about drawing. We've learned about drawing, the drawing materials, the materials needed for drawing, which include pencil, ink, eraser, ruler, crayon, paper, chalk, marker, pen, and charcoal. Hope you enjoy the class. That is all for today. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.